Alright, so this is a video on how to get a free deep throaty sounding exhaust for free. So we're going to show you all you need to do. Probably need a breaker bar or an impact 12mm socket and a bit of elbow grease. Then all you're going to do is take off those bolts right there and there. And then take the hanger off. It's under there somewhere. The rubber hanger just hooks in, and then once you unbolt it and take it out, it'll drop. So first, just get out your breaker bar and your extended 12mm socket. Start up, rev to 3000, rev to 5000. Alright, so you got your extended 12mm socket, your breaker bar, so lefty loosey, righty tighty. You're going to be pulling up to break these loose. So they're a lot, they're spring bolts, kind of hard to get off sometimes. These ones aren't bad though. I already started on this one, but it's technically straight piping, I guess you could call it, but you still have the resonator back there. Oh, yum. Some yummy stuff. Cheaper than spending. For all you fake parts buyer, it's cheaper than buying eBay exhaust.
Probably sounds better too.
And yeah, probably sounds better.
Yummy.
That's yum, but that's all you do. Now that's where your exhaust is gonna be. And the next thing, all you're gonna do is move it off the hangers, if I can find them. They're over here up front. Got one of them off. Try and get up in there, show these guys. That's where the hangers are. Those little plastic things, you're just gonna get this hook up and over. It's almost off. And then it's just gonna drop. Maybe.
Got it?
Maybe. Probably need something.
Yeah, that seems like full of fucking water.
I don't know.
That's weird.
Maybe you're fucking...
That can't be good.
No, probably not. Jesus Christ. Fuck this.
That's probably why Preston and Ray cut theirs. There we go.
So if you want that deep throaty sound, right there. There's their exhaust system. So now we're gonna do a little startup. See the difference.
Where are those grommets at?
Right over here. Just get a picture up on that shit.
There's one. The other one's on the other side.
Yep. This is where they hang. All you do when you unbolt those is you just get those grommets up and over, and it'll just drop. Now this is the after rev and start up and rev.